Hello my dear friends. So today we'll be discuss about the fraction. It is in standard 5th class. Okay. So it is some books it is page 63, 64 is there, and in some other book it is different pages is there. But we have to learn what? Fraction of standard 5th. Okay. So remember my dear friends or my children, you have to be remember the funda of fraction first. If you understood the funda, then you can understood everything and you can solve each and every question, okay, of your book. Okay, now come to the definition. What is a fraction? So what is a fraction? Fraction is nothing but it is the division of two number. Okay, it is the division of two numbers. 2 and 5 are the two numbers. I can say that these two numbers are called as whole number. Okay, so what is the fraction? Fraction is the division of two integer or a whole number. Okay, in the positive case, if I am saying it is an integer, it is a positive one. So don't be confused. It is the division between the two whole number. In this fraction, okay, how you will read this one? 2 by 5. Again, 2 by 5. If I write another one, then how I will be read this one? Yes, tell me. Yes. 5 by 6. 5 by 6. Understood, my dear friends? Now remember this one. As we know that this is a fraction, but the fraction having certain parts are there. The upper one is called as numerator and the lower one is called as denominator. So what? First, how you should read it? 5 by 6. 5 is a numerator, the upper one. Lower one is called as 6 is called as denominator in this fraction. Now my dear friends, tell me what is the in this fraction 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Which one is numerator? Yes, 2 is the numerator and 5 is the denominator. Understood, my dear friends? So this is the parts of the fraction. But the question is coming, how we will be recognize the fraction if it is in the pictorial form, picture form? It is a simple one. Don't confuse. Okay. So I will tell you in the pictorial form. Okay. So take the first example. What is the example? I have taken 2 by 5. What is that? 2 by 5. So let's draw an example. Okay. What is that? If I am making a box, okay, and this whole box, okay, I divide that box into small container. That is what? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now 5 containers are here. How to represent this 2 by 5 in pictorial form? Means total is how many? 5. So whatever the denominator is there, up to that much you have to divide the set. Then 2 means what? You have to be shaded 2%. 1, 2. Okay. So this picture is now showing me that what? It is the showing the fraction of 2 by 5. The denominator is how much? 5. So total shape is divided into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understood, my dear friends? Now it is saying the numerator is 2. So how many parts I have to shaded this one? 1 part and 2 part. Now this part is called as 2 by 5 fraction showing in the pictorial manner. Understood? Now simple form. Now you just tell me, suppose your father bring a pizza for your family. Okay, pizza, it is a tasty one, na? Okay, now how it is related to the fraction, let's do it. Okay, so what your father did, now in your family members, suppose you have father, mother, brother and yourself. Okay, so 4 members are there, no? So your father divided that pizza in 4 parts. Okay, na? So what happened? Before your father came to you and giving the pizza to you, at that time your brother ate 1 pizza. Okay, now you just tell me what fraction of pizza is eaten by your brother. Tell me. Yes. First you have to think, how many parts your father did it? Your father did it 4 parts. So in denominator you have to write 4. And how many parts is eaten by your brother? 1 part. So the fraction is called as 1/4 of the part eaten by your brother. Yes or no? So this is the simple trick of pictorial manner, that how the fraction is shown here. Okay. Now let's take another example. What is that? Okay. Now you just tell me 3/8 in pictorial manner. Can you show me in the pictorial manner? Yes. Let's do it. Okay, na? First, draw a circle. Okay. Divided into how many parts you have to divide it? Whatever the numbers it is present in the denominator, you have to divide into that person. 2, 4, then how much it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, another line. Now how much see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. According to the denominator, we have divided the circle. Yes or no, my dear friends? Now it is saying 3/8 means what? Out of 8 parts, you have to be shaded 3 parts. Any parts? Okay, any 3 parts. So I will do this 1, 2, 3 parts. I will shade it here. Okay. So like this, you have to shade it with the help of your pencil and scale, and it will be completed. So this fraction is showing that how much? 3/8 in the pictorial manner. Understood, my dear friends? So easy now. Let's go to the another important point of fraction. Okay. Now we have studied that what is a fraction, what are the parts of the fraction, and how we will draw the fraction in pictorial manner. Now come to that, how many types of fractions are there? You know it already. We just discussed little bit. Okay, now types of fraction. There are 3 types of fractions are there. 3. First one is called proper fraction. Second one is called improper fraction, and third one is called mixed fraction. Okay, so first one by one. Okay, first one is called proper fraction. I am writing here 2/5. But if I write anything, it will be proper fraction. No. What is the definition of the proper fraction? In a fraction, we know it. One numerator is there, one denominator is there. No. So remember that when the numerator is less than the denominator, again, when the numerator is less than the denominator, then that fraction is called proper fraction. Okay. What are the examples? 1/2, 3/4, 5/6. Here, notice it. All the denominators are greater than the numerator, or the numerator are smaller than the denominator. Yes or no? 1 is smaller than 2, 3 is smaller than 4, 5 is smaller than 6. Understood, my dear friend? So what is a proper fraction? The fraction in which numerator is what? Less than the denominator. It is called as what? Proper fraction. Understood, my dear friends? So come to the improper one. Improper is what? It is the reverse one. What is the reverse one? If the numerator is greater than that of the denominator. Again, numerator is greater than denominator. Which one is the numerator? 5. Which one is denominator? 3. Which one is greater than? 5 is greater now. So numerator is greater than 3. Then that fraction, that whole fraction, I will tell it is a improper fraction. What is that? Improper fraction. Easy. Anything? Only one thing. What is that? Numerator bigger, denominator smaller. Whatever the number, then you put it. Okay. 7 by 5. Okay. 100 by 90 or 2001 by 200. These are the some examples of the what? Improper fraction. Understood, my dear friends? Easy. It is easy, na? Okay. So you have to remember these important points. Okay. Now come to the last one. Mixed fraction. What is a mixed fraction? A mixed fraction is a combination of whole number and a proper fraction. Combination means they are making friend with each other. Okay. To whom they are making friends? One is whole number and there is proper fraction. Understood, my dear friends? So don't be confused. How the mixed fraction is read as 1 whole of 2 by 3. Again, 1 whole of 2 by 3. Okay? 1 whole of 2 by 3. Understood? This is how you will read the mixed fraction. Then example. Any example you can take it. What is that? 4 whole of 3 by 4. Remember, whole number and a proper fraction. Okay? Anything you can take it. Okay? Now, come to an important point. That is what? Improper fraction. Here improper fraction is there now. Improper fraction can change to mixed fraction and mixed fraction can be changed into improper fraction. How? Let's do it. Okay, na? Okay. Take an example 5 by 3. Here the same example is not coming. Let's I am taking you an example. 5 by 3 is improper fraction, na? So understood that. Proper is converted to mixed. Mixed will be converted to proper. You have to remember that one. But this result is not like this one. Okay. So don't be confused. Huh? So you will do it an example. 5 by 3. 5 by 3. What is the meaning of by? Here by meaning is divided. 5 is divided with 3. How you will divide it? In 3 table 5 is there? No, but I can divide it. What? 3 ones are 3. What is the remainder? 2. So, whatever first it is divided, you have to write that whole number first. Okay. Next. See, which one will be? The denominator will be as it is and the remainder will be same. See, again it is coming now. What? Improper can turn into mixed. Mixed can turn into improper. Understood, my dear friends? Now come to the, this is improper to what? Mixed. Now how mixed will be converted to improper? See how it will be. It will be very, very important for you, my dear friends. Here you divided here, but here how will be divided? Okay. So I will do it in a bigger manner. Okay. See, 1 whole of 2 by 3. This is a mixed fraction, huh? How you will do it? 3 ones are 3. These two will be multiplied. What is the result will come? You will be add with the numerator. So how much? 3 1 ja 3. 3 plus 2, 5 by 3. How it will be done? Like this manner it is. 3 1 ja multiplied. 3 denominator with the whole number. 3 1 ja 3 and it will be added with the numerator. 3 plus 2 how much? 5 by 3. So like this mixed fraction can be converted into a improper one. Understood my dear friends? And this is the funda. And remember one thing. Always improper is, proper one is less than 1 because it is what? It is the smallest, smaller than 1. Okay. Improper is greater than 1 because already a whole number is created here. Okay. And mixed fraction is also greater than 1. Proper is less than 1. Improper is greater than 1. And mixed fraction is greater than 1. Understood my dear friends? So now whatever we are studying here, proper, improper, mixed. Okay. It is in page number 64 it is there. Okay na? So don't be confused. Understood? If you have doubt, you can write in my comment. Okay, so that I can solve it. Okay na? Okay. Now come to what is that? Now the important point, another important point here it will come. So we will go slowly. Okay. So don't be confused. Now a term is called equivalent fraction. I will tell you little bit. I will say little bit because in exercise, first exercise here regarding the equivalent fraction, so many questions are there. Today we will be only clear your funda. Okay na? So that you can easily understood. Okay na? Okay. What is an equivalent fraction? Suppose I am writing here 5 by 2. It is a proper or improper? It is an improper one. Okay. First we will do with the proper one. 2 by 5. Write down the equivalent fraction of 2 by 5. Okay. How many? Let's take 1. Okay. This 2 by 5 is what? 2 by 5 is nothing but it is multiplied with 1. How much the answer will coming? 2 by 5 or not? Yes or no? Any number multiplied with 1, then that same number will come or not? Yes, it is coming. Yes or no? You know it better than me. Okay. So, here. It is 1 means what? Okay. You can multiply any number with this one. But the numerator and denominator must be same. If I cancel this one, 1 will come or not? So, any number multiplied with 1, how much? The same number. So, to getting 1, same numerator, same denominator will be divided with each other. Okay. So what is the result? You have to multiply like this. Okay. 2 2s are 4 and 5 2s are 10. Okay. So I will say that 2 by 5 equivalent fraction is 4 by 10. Understood my dear friends? So this is the very important topic regarding the fraction. Okay. This is understood by you. If it is saying that write 2 equivalent fraction, what you have to do? Nothing. Just go for another one. What? Here 4 by 10 is came na? Okay. Here with the 4 by 10 you can multiply 2 by 2 also. Same one will coming na? First one is this one. 4 by 10 is the first one. Second one is what? 8 by how much? 20. Okay. So the 2 equivalent fraction of 2 by 5 are 4 by 10 and 8 by 20. Understood? Now the doubt is coming. Sir, you are multiplied the so many numbers and you are saying that it is equivalent. Let's check it now. It is equivalent or not. Okay. How? We are telling about 2 by 5 now. Now we will check it now. How we will check it now? Remember this one. How I am going to check. 2 by 5 is coming or not? In 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Again 2 by 5 is came or not? Here 4 2s are 2 4s are 8, 2 then 2 10s are 20, again 25, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 2 by. Okay, so like this manner I will say that if I will cut it also, the result is also coming like this. Here in your textbook there is a question is there that if a number is there, write this one into lowest form by using divisibility, by divide a number. Divide by number in what? Which table both the numbers are there? 2 table. Okay, 4 is also even number, 10 is also even number. So minimum even number is which one? 2. So 4 divided by 2, 10 divided by 2. How much? 2 by 5. Yes or no? So to convert a fraction into lowest form by division method is like this. We are dividing here and the result is coming like this. Understood, my dear friends? It is very very easy na? Okay. Now it is saying that equivalent fraction. Now next one is what? Greater than, less than. Okay, let's come here. If two fractions are there, which one is greater, which one is smaller? We will now find out which one is greater, which one is smaller between the two what? Proper fraction first. 2 by 5 and 3 by 5. These two are two fraction, na? Which fraction it is? Which fraction it is? Proper fraction. Okay. So first rule. What is the rule saying? In this case, if two denominators are same and the numerators are different, two denominators are same, numerator are different, then which one is greater, which one is smaller? The point is, if like this the denominator is same and numerators are different, in this case which one is greater? You have to find out which one is greater. 3 is greater than 2. Yes or no? So you have to write which symbol. What you have to write here? It is greater means the curve will be like that. But how you will read it? 2 by 5 is less than 3 by 5. So in your textbook it is there, compare by greater than, less than, like this manner. Okay. So 2 by 5 is what? Less than 3 by 5. Now you just tell me which one is greater, which one is smaller? Yes, 5 by 7 is the greater one. How? Rule: if the denominators are same, numerator are different, in this case what you have to do? The greater numerator is the what? Greater in this case. So 3 by 7 is greater than 5 by 3 by 7 is less than 5 by 7. Understood, my dear friends? It is easy na? So don't make any confusion. You have to remember the rules. Okay? Understood, my dear friends? Now this is the proper case. In the case of improper, 5 by 3 and 4 by 3. Okay, now remember this one. Remember this one. Which one is greater? You just think it. Here is also what? Denominators are same. Numerators are different. In this case, which one is bigger? The bigger number is what? Bigger. So 5 by 3 is greater than 4 by 3. Okay, so this is the related topic to your fraction. Okay, now how we sorry, again we know that improper to improper we can change it to mixed. So how you will change it? 2 by 3 here. Okay, in both the cases, one is same. Yes or no? Numerators are, denominators are same. What is the rule? What is about the denominator? Which one is greater? 2 is greater, na? Then 1, na? Then I will say that this one is greater than this one. 1 will cancel. Then proper fraction you have to be compared which one is greater, which one is smaller. Okay. Now come to the addition and subtraction of fraction. Okay, how will we add? Okay, addition. See, 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3. In these two cases, which one is proper, which one is improper? 2 by 3 is the proper, 4 by 3 is the improper. How will you add it? 3 is the LCM. You know it that like that manner. Okay. So which one? 3 divided by 3. How much? 1. You have to divide here. Okay. Again, what is the result is coming? If the result is coming 1, na? Then this one will be added in the numerator. Sorry, it will be multiplied with the numerator. Okay. So 3 divided by 3, 1. 1 into 2, 2. Okay. Same with the second fraction, but in between that, which one is there? Plus. So what you have to write? What? 3 divided by 3 into 1, into 4. Okay. How much? 6 by 3. Now, whatever the result is coming, na, both of them are divided with each other, na. So you can do it in the smallest form also. It will be coming whole number. 2. Answer is 2. Understood, my dear friends? Now, a simple example. What is that? A diagram. You can do it. Okay, simplest manner you can do it. Okay. If you confuse it, then what you have to do, I will tell you. If like this manner it is there. So directly what you have to do? Denominator same, put the denominator. Okay. And whatever the numerators are there, you have to add it. 6 by 3. It is how much? 2. Understood? One example. 5 by 6 plus 4 by 6. In this example, same thing is there. Both the denominators are same. And 6. Both are added. 5 plus 4. Numerator will be added. And answer is 9 by 6. But these two are divided. 2, 3, 2 are 6, 3, 3 is 1. 3 by 2. Which fraction it is, my dear friends? Improper fraction. We can change it to the mixed fraction also. Okay. So this is addition. Now in the case of subtraction, what we have to do in case of subtraction? What? Subtraction. What is subtraction? 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5. In this case also denominators are same, na? You have to do what? Write the denominator first. What is the numerator is there? You just subtract them between them. Okay. So what is 4 minus 3? 1. 1 by 5. So this is very easy for you or not? So my dear friends and children, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, subscribe my channel, and if you like it, then like it. Okay, na? So write the comments, my dear friends, so that I can improve your doubts. Okay, I can solve your doubts. Thank you. Have a nice day.